New to the previously loved section at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos, this beautiful, my favorite model and color combination, beautiful silver and black 2015 FLHTK. Previous owner already bought you a real nice set of highway pegs. Some other goodies as well, we'll get to them momentarily. The hardware to hold it and a rider backrest. Where am I pointing? $66.05 miles as of this moment. And as you just saw, the previous the previous owner, that's how to say that, also added the additional tail lights on the saddlebags, making you more visible from the rear, as well as a super nice Vance & Hines exhaust system. So the bike looks great, sounds great. It's here on consignment, so there are no test rides, but there are really none necessary. Great, great tour bike. I even have a photo of myself on a 2014 model, same color scheme. No real changes. But that photo was shot on the road in a curve to give you an idea what it looks like going down the road. Bike's available to check it out 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.